Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equals theta and angle BCA equals 3 theta. If AB equals 5, AC equals 2, and BC equals x, the goal is to find x. And now for the solution. Let P be a point on AB such that angle PCA equals theta and angle BCP equals 2 theta. Let CP equals A and BP equals B. Then AP equals 5 minus B. Next, consider triangle ACP and triangle ABC. We claim that triangle ACP is similar to triangle ABC. Since angle ACP equals angle ABC equals theta, and angle A is common, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have AP over AC equals AC over AB equals CP over BC, or 5 minus B over 2 equals 2 over 5 equals A over X. From the equation, 5 minus B over 2 equals 2 over 5. Cross multiplying gives 25 minus 5B equals 4. So 5B equals 21, and therefore B equals 21 over 5. From the equation, 2 over 5 equals A over X, we get A equals 2X over 5. Returning to our diagram, let Q be a point on BP such that CQ bisects angle BCP. So angle BCQ equals angle QCP equals theta. Since angle QBC equals angle BCQ equals theta, triangle QBC is isosceles, so BQ equals CQ. Let BQ equals CQ equals C. Then PQ equals B minus C. Next, consider triangle PCQ and triangle PBC. We claim that triangle PCQ is similar to triangle PBC. Since angle PCQ equals angle PBC equals theta, and angle P is common, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have PQ over PC equals PC over PB equals CQ over BC, or B minus C over A equals A over B equals C over X. From the equation, B minus C over A equals A over B. Cross multiplying gives B squared minus BC equals A squared. And from the equation, A over B equals C over X. Cross multiplying gives AX equals BC. Substituting AX equals BC into the previous equation gives B squared minus AX equals A squared. Since B equals 21 over 5 and A equals 2x over 5, our equation becomes 21 over 5 whole square minus 2x squared over 5 equals 2x over 5 whole square, or 441 over 25 minus 2x squared over 5 equals 4x squared over 25. Multiplying both sides by 25 gives 441 minus 10x squared equals 4x squared. So 14x squared equals 441. Dividing both sides by 14 gives x squared equals 63 over 2. Taking the square root, we have x equals 3 square root 7 over 2, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.